Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by Foxecom. In today's video, we will show you how to create a countdown timer section in Foxify. Countdown timers create a sense of scarcity, encouraging customers to complete purchases before a limited time offer disappears. This FOMO, fear of missing out, effect can be incredibly effective for your business. Studies show increased conversions. Stores using countdown timers see an average conversion rate increase of up to 9%. Urgency boost. Customers are 48% more likely to buy when a countdown timer is present. Sales lift. Urgency messaging, which countdown timers can create, can lead to a 10% increase in sales. With Foxify, it's never easier to add a countdown timer and unlock these conversion benefits. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to creating a countdown timer section using Foxify. Before we start, make sure you have activated Foxify Theme Helper in your theme editor to let Foxify work with your theme. You can either add a countdown timer section to your Foxify template or create a new custom section to add everywhere on your theme. Let's start designing a countdown timer section. From your Foxify dashboard, navigate to the Sections Manager tab and select Create Section. In the Sections library, you will see some pre-made templates of the sections. Use a preset to get started instantly or create a blank section from scratch. Here I will create a blank section. Give the section a name and select the section type. To learn more about the difference between these two section types, check out our video for it. Select Add Section, then Countdown Timer. This section will appear with a default preset. If you are not into this preset's layout, you can navigate to the section preset in the Countdown Timer section. This setting will give you access to some countdown timer presets that you can preview to determine which one best suits your website's aesthetic, then hit the Select button to apply the preset quickly. Next, in the Container field, you can adjust the width of the countdown timer to fit with your website. Various options are available, including fixed width, full width, narrow width, extended width, and even custom width, which allows you to set your own width ranging from 800 pixels to 1600 pixels. If you prefer displaying content in a box rather than the standard format, enabling the Enable Boxed Content checkbox may be a more appealing choice. Furthermore, you can adjust the placement of the countdown timer's content to the left, center, or right within the Content Position field. Use the Styles tab settings to style the section the way you like. Let's give the content container a background color, corner radius, and padding, and change the background image for the section to highlight it. Suppose you prefer not to use the preset header options. In that case, you have the flexibility to manually craft your countdown timer by selecting the plus button next to the countdown timer label and adding individual blocks like heading, text, button, buy now button, add to cart button, custom code, and the most important element, countdown. In the countdown block, you can set up the specific end time with the exact date time following this format, month, day, year, hour, minute. In addition, you can change the countdown timer style to the minimal or rich style as your preference. In the label settings, you are allowed to show or hide the timer labels by ticking the Show Labels checkbox. Then, you can also customize the day label, hour label, minute label, and second label. Switching the Style tab here, you can add styling to the countdown block. Especially, changing the background color and sizing for the timer block, and color and font size for both number and labels. Make sure you check the design on mobile for perfection. You don't need to do anything here, because Foxify's sections are already designed with optimal responsiveness in mind. That's it. Save and publish the section to use it with your theme's templates. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching.